services and products from Conceptia from last 3 years. Excellent service received from Conceptia.
Conceptia delivered excellent training with highly skilled trainers, proficient in various aspects such as SOLIDWORKS design, development, simulation, and prompt responsiveness to any SOLIDWORKS.
Coming to Conceptia, I am highly satisfied with their support on their issues. The engineers resolve the issues on time, which occurs in SOLIDWORKS. Also, they explain the problems, why it happened, and how to solve it.
Support from Conceptia has been very good and they are flexible to our needs.
Conceptia technical support and training is excellent and meets the trends and requirements for manufacturing quality products.
At Research, we are committed to empower our products with futuristic designs. That's why we turn to Conceptia for their amazing product development solutions.
Conceptia Services empowers us to excel in design and engineering, tasked with training support such as cut list generations, 3D PDF creations, document templates, and part configurations.
SOLIDWORKS software clarifications and so on. We hope this will continue.